Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the yarn face makeup trend. Alright, so I'm caving. I wasn't going to do it, and I cut it out of the last video because I said I wasn't going to do it. But I'm having FOMO, so we're doing it today. The idea is we're going to recreate this look, but with the yarn. So we're going to alter it a little bit. I'm going to glue my brows down. I think I'm going to glue like half of this one down, and then I'm going to leave this maybe, and we're going to try to avoid it with the glue. I'm just going to start by gluing down my brows really quick, and then we're going to cover them with a little bit of latex to just like protect them. My eyebrows like healing, but like it's not healed enough that I would take it out because I'm too afraid it's going to get irritated and that I'm not going to get it back in. I'm going to do the tail. I'm just going to go very close, but just not actually get the bar. In the meantime, I'm going to change my contacts because I want to go with those like bright purple ones. All my contacts are from Honeycolor. We're going with these ones. Or maybe I should do one of each. I think I'll do one of each, honestly. I want to get this out of the way though now, so I don't have glue on my face and my eyes are possibly watering. I'm like so excited to see this done. I'm just afraid I'm gonna screw it up. Next, I'm gonna take Maximum Impact's liquid latex and I am going to go over my brows lightly just to give it a little extra protection. Just taking a little sponge and I'm going to lightly dab over it. Got a whole thing of yarn. So let's get started. I guess I'm just gonna speed this up so that way I'm not like talking the whole time. Also, to be completely honest, I'm also gonna try to film it on TikTok, so we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna take the latex and I'm just gonna try to stick it to my nose, so we'll see how that works. Been at this for like an hour. It feels so weird. I'm pretty sure I just keep going down now and up. It's just so awkward. I wish I had like a thinner tool or something. Maybe I should like cut one of these Q-tips. Now I should be able to just go right around. Oh my god, this takes forever. Like everybody's video that you see do this. Okay, so now we've got the whole base on. Okay, I'm gonna take Jeffree Star's mini Jawbreaker palette, and we're gonna use it to recreate the base of the purple and the pink eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in with Bubblegum for the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go in with Purple Punch in the middle here. Hopefully it takes. I feel like I should have painted my eyelids white to start. So I have like zero makeup on right now. I mean, I guess this isn't too bad, right? Just wish there wasn't like latex on my eye right there. Alright, now the part I've been waiting for like literally all night. Just gonna start taking in my mirror. Hopefully this covers, otherwise we're gonna have to like find paint. This is so weird. This feels so weird. This feels like a carpet, but I am the carpet, you know what I mean? Oh, that doesn't look great. That looks kind of scary. I'm gonna add this, the lighter one for play up top here. I'm gonna add that one and blend it in, if I can blend it in. Okay, so I need to do my nose like a pink circle. I need to do a pink circle on the top here, and I need to do my lips. Oddly enough, I can still like feel them, so like it's kind of working, I guess. This looked a lot better in my head. I feel like I should get something else for the purple to try to fix it. I feel like it's like not taking right. I had these ColourPop palettes. There's In a Trance, It's My Pleasure, and Lilac You a lot. But like I feel like they're just not right. I don't know why. Like I thought they were too light. Maybe I should have started out with the lighter one. Like that one's too light. Where is it? Like this purple looked really good to me. And I should have just went with that one. And I didn't. And it could have been the perfect shade and now we'll never know. Do I have white eyeshadow? I feel like that would fix this a little bit. I'm calling in my handy dandy, trusty and dusty Snazaroo white. Cross your fingers for me. I'm more concerned about this part. It looks like I got punched in the face here. I feel like I'm fixing it, so hold your judgment for like 2 minutes, maybe? This right here, this feels so weird. It feels like I'm rubbing a carpet, but I'm under the carpet. Don't like it. Don't like it. I think this is actually working. I'm kind of excited. This part still looks like I got bruised, but that's okay. I'm gonna be so honest. I think I'm gonna lose an eyebrow hair or something because I think I messed up with this eyebrow. And I'm pretty sure I put the latex over the part of my eyebrow that I did not glue down. So I'm scared to peel this off. I'm gonna just be so real right now. I don't like this, but I feel like we can go over that if I need to. I'm so surprised how, like, I'm going so rough with the brush. And this is, like, so staying intact. Like, it's not budging. There's no cute aesthetic video for this, you know? There's no way to do this. This is great. This turned out even better than I thought. Minus the bruise part. Now we go back in with the eyeshadow. Back to the Mini Breaker palette. And take the eyeshadow up a little bit more to help differentiate my eye. I think getting the paint on here actually made it better. I'm gonna go back over the lips really quick. It looks like my mouth is super scrunched up, like, you know what I mean? It looks terrible. How do I fix that? Now that I already have the black eyeshadow here, so let's move on to that. I feel like I should use paint. And I'm kind of too scared. I take it back. We need a different shade of purple. What was I thinking? This does not look that good. This looks kind of bad. I need to go back in with the Lilac You a lot thing and use this eyeshadow palette. This looks a lot better. Look at that. Could you imagine if this comes off in one piece? This would pay off so well. I'm starting to look like a really creepy doll, like a little kid's doll, and I don't like it. I do like the shade of purple, though. I feel like I like this more. I'm just kind of stressed. It doesn't look right. I think once I add all the extra stuff, it'll look better. I also would be lying if I didn't say this made me feel like a tiny bit, like, claustrophobic. Not claustrophobic, but, like, it's just making me feel, like, super, like... I don't know how else to explain it. Okay, I'm just gonna, like, fix this, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I feel like this is okay. Ignore this, because I'm gonna cover that in my black. I don't know. There's this part where I, like, contoured, I think, here with, like, pink and purple, but, like, I don't know if I should try to do that. I feel like that's not a good idea. I'm gonna take this Bite Me shade that's darker. And I'm gonna try to do that, I guess. Although I don't think anything's happening. Now I'm gonna try to add some pink up here. So I'm pretty sure there's pink like that in the photo. Just highlighter maybe? I think I might have to get black paint, but I'm not sure. Let's try to make this clown look here. I'm gonna take this brush here, and I'm gonna take Elf's Cookies and Dreams palette, and we are just gonna start cutting in the triangle. I feel like it's coming together a little bit. We'll see, we'll see. Once I add lashes, I feel like it'll also look really good. Well, you know what I mean? Like, not really good. I don't think it looks the most amazing ever, but... I don't know if this looks good or bad. Like, I feel like it's in the middle here, looking rough. Okay, so it's like an angled... Just gonna do like a little wing. I'm not gonna trace anything. I'm gonna be so honest right now. I really want to paint my neck like how this photo is. Like, I really want to paint my neck like that. The scissors are not working today. So my second pair, the other ones are somewhere on the floor. Okay, for lashes, these are Ione's Day of the Dead Perita. I'm gonna do this off camera though. Guys, I'm going to New York this month. I wanted to tell you, but I don't think anyone actually listens when I talk in these. I'm going to New York for like 2 days. I'm so excited. I get a day off of work. I don't get those, like, ever. Well, I do, but like I don't get to take days off, you know what I mean? Going locked in every weekend. Going to see Miko. I don't know if you know who that is. He's opening for Nightly. I really need to look up some more songs by Nightly. Maybe I'll do it like this, and then maybe I will paint my neck, because I think I'm going to change my shirt too. That sounds like a plan. Okay, I'm sitting in a chair with a big pillow on it, like those big pink arm pillows. I've almost thrown myself on the floor like at least 12 times. I'm debating on this tube top. I don't know what I wore in the original one. This is the shirt I wore, so I'm gonna wear this one. And then I'm gonna have to paint my neck checkerboard, but my hair's not as long, so that might not look right. We'll see. Okay, I don't know why I hit record. I have my tube top on. I don't want to sit higher though, because I feel like this is an awkward height here. I think I'll just zoom you out. It still doesn't work. Just now I have a shirt on. I'm gonna paint the checkerboard, I think, for the shirt. I think that's what we're gonna do. Just 1 second. I need to get in the chair. So I have Snazzer's black paint. And I think I should be able to use the Canva Makeup's Athena palette. I think I'm gonna do the pink ones first, and then I'm gonna go in with the black last. I'm also like really thirsty. I should get a straw. Anyway, if you're watching this, do you want me to do like a mini vlog when I go to New York? Because I'll do a mini vlog. Like, get ready with me. I'll do like all the fun stuff. I'm sure my friend would want to do it. She's the one I streamed with. If you watched me stream, you probably didn't. No one did, but that's fine. I'm gonna mix these two colors from the You Can Be Makeup's Athena palette. We'll just draw. We'll do it different. It doesn't have to be the same. This is definitely not the right shade though. Oh my god. I'm gonna zoom out a tiny bit. I'm gonna move. I just don't like that you can't see what I'm doing. Not that you really can still, but... Okay, if you're actually watching this and we're like hanging out, can you comment what your sweet tooth craving or like your food craving is recently? Because I just want to talk about it. I have been like craving banana stuff lately. Like, we've been making banana cupcakes at work, and I like eat like at least 5 of them a week. It's bad, but they're really good. Like, I just fixed the recipe, and I think it's a lot better. It's too dry before, like it wasn't baking right. That's my favorite. Banana and chocolate, like banana chocolate chip, banana chocolate icing. I was gonna make a video with my grandmother's recipe book, and I was like, oh my god, banana cake, banana bread, it's in here. But I don't have any bananas. So that's not happening this week. It's very sad. But yeah, that is my craving. I've literally, it's not even of the week, it's like literally of the month. I've had it, like, we've made them for the last like 4 weeks. I haven't. Oh my god, I keep eating them. Alright, that's it. Please share yours. I need a new one. Oh, we are gonna be going to a bakery though in New York. That's happening. I want to see one up there. Let's try to see a different bakery when we go out of state or something. For the black paint, I'm gonna switch over to Snazaroo's black paint. I feel like this one's just gonna stain less, honestly. Not even stain less, but I feel like it'll just be easier to get out than, like, the grease paint. Do you guys think that TikTok's actually getting banned? Like, now I'm gonna take all my drafts off again. Like, I knew it was gonna get banned again, probably, but, like, I forgot when the date was supposed to be, like, the month exactly. See, now I'm crumbling under pressure. This one looks bad. Don't look at this one. See how fast that paints in, though? It makes it so much easier. What is that? I know this is like a lot of extra work, but I feel like this is gonna be so worth it at the end. So I'm just gonna finish this off camera because it's like after 4 and I want to try to put some music on, I think, to stay more awake. Not that I'm tired, but it's gonna hit me soon. So I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, this is all I'm doing, like, paint-wise. Big reveal time. Because my hair should cover this. I'm really happy with how this looks. Like, you can't see the shirt, but this is like, wait. This is the full, like, we squat. This is the full look. Kind of. That would be it. Don't look at my shoulders. Don't look at my arms. It only works on, like, TikTok. But yeah, here's the final look. Let me zoom you back in. But yeah, I think it started off scary, but I really like how it turned out. I don't want to take it off, honestly. It's like almost 5. I really like it. I kind of want to keep it on for like another hour. Oh my god, we're up close and personal. You can see it. That is the final look. I will have, I don't know, potentially add the peeling off the end. I want to try to peel it off in one piece at the end here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from me. I do makeup, I do some gaming, and I sprinkle in a little bit of baking sometimes. So yeah. This is a bonus video. Jumping on the trend. I'm a little late, but it was worth it. I like this. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.